So we're back. As discussed in part one, we're gonna finish our power juice. We got our carrot, various carrots, our broccoli, our radishes. To give it a little bit of sweetness, we got our orange. And don't forget the celery. So let's give this a shot. See what it tastes like. Oh, and the ginger. Don't forget the ginger. Broccoli, celery, radish, orange, carrot, and the ginger. And like I said, one of these juicers you can pick up anywhere. Any major store has them. You're good to go. Have fun with the family creating your own power juice. So we got a carrot, orange, celery, broccoli, radish, and ginger tea or ginger juice. Mr. G, the carrot especially for you. Now that is delicious.